sa likod. Ikaw sa singers. Oo, may nagkakanta. Grabe. Okay, pero thank you so much for that beautiful walk, Gwen.
Thank you.
Gwen, do you feel any pressure right now?
I don't feel any pressure right now. Zero pressure.
Wonderful answer. Okay, Ini Gwen, your question is this.
Nicola Ruth Madreo Papera, can you share a behind-the-scenes story from the tour that us Blooms would be surprised to hear?
Oh,
Naglapit na ba to?
let me think. Okay, so minsan sa mga arena, kasi after ng concert, doon kami nakakiligo sa arena. And minsan, hindi kami karami yung shower room. So, minsan yung girls, yung gusto tawa na sila.
Alam na nila ate.
Alam niyo na, minsan nagsasabay-sabay kami maligo. Pero okay lang yan. Pero hindi minsan, lahat buong tour namin. Pinipili kami maligo. Pero minsan, sige ko, hindi sumusama. Walang nakapis si Gwen. Next world tour.
These are holy goods. Only by us.
Okay na daw yun. Okay.
Pero bakit kasi masaya na siya sa $80 ticket niya? Okay na, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.